Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are receiving this cannot find script file pop-up every time when you start the computer, and if you want to get rid of this pop-up, that is C drive user AppData Roaming install.sig. So to get rid of this pop-up, you have to copy this link. This is a Microsoft link and you have to download this zip file. So once you open the link is provided in the video description. So just open the link and then click on download auto runs and auto runs C. Then a zip file will download. You have to go to the download folder. Now in the download folder, just make a right click on auto runs, then click on extract to auto runs. A new folder will be created which says auto runs over here. Now when you make a right click, if you don't see the extract option over here, in that case you can download a software, that is WinRAR, and then click on download. Once you download this, you will be able to get the extract option. So once the auto runs file folder is created, just make a double click, then open auto runs or auto runs 64. Now on this window, go ahead and look for this file which says install.sig. So in the filter box you can just type in install.sig and it should give you that particular file, or you can just type in install.sig. If you don't find it, then manually you can scroll down and you can look for that file which ends with install.sig. So when you find it, just make a right click and click on delete. So this is just for an example. So in my case it's not there, but in your case it will be there. So just make a right click, then click on delete, then restart your computer. The error should go away. It will not give you that prompt anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.